sa journey natin, ano yung pinaka-highlight para sa'yo?
At guys, alam nyo ba?
This store selling cannabis. Look.
At nandito na nga kami sa napakagandang garden.
Welcome to the best producer of
Welcome to BMW Motor Thailand.
Napakaraming naka-display dito.
We have come here for the BMW Motorrad Days.
See the famous map that you're always looking? Iririgalo daw kay Ella. Ang galing mo talaga umuraot.
The best ride ever.
More rides, more travel, and ching-ching. Sipagan pa natin.
Kanina, di ba, wala kaming dalang pera. Ngayon, nakapag-withdraw na kami.
18,000.
18K sa atin. Ito pala ang biggest Motorrad Days. Good morning, guys. So, we just wake up. At ngayon, kakain tayo ng almusal. Hindi ko maayos yung room. Pero nagpalipad tayo ng drone ngayon. At ngayon, tara. Kain na tayo. Gutom lang to. Wow! Tignan na naman, guys, yung panahon. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Ayan yung mga motor namin sa labas. Oh. Ayan, nakapark sila dyan lahat. Morning. So, this is the view na makikita mo dito. Kita mo, lalaki ng goldfish yung mga koi, no? Grabe. May sariling waterfalls, eh, oh. Ito yung iba, oh. Tahimik lang sila dyan. Ang lalaki. Sa tingin ko, sumusukat sila ng mga 3 feet. Tansya ko lang. Ang laki. May falls dito. Do not jump. Wag daw. Okay. Susubukan sana natin doon dumaan papunta sa kitchen. But anyway, ang ganda ng hotel na to. Alam niyo guys, binabawi ko na yung sinabi ko na yung pinakamagandang hotel, yung Las Laterloya natin. Ito pala. Dito kami kumakain, guys. Oh, George is here. Good morning.
7 more. 10,000.
Good morning.
7.
Yeah.
Morning, Jels.
Yeah. And here you have another.
Morning. George, what time you go to Motorrad?
We have
We're leaving 9.
2 more.
9. Okay, we are going to eat our breakfast. It is pre-breakfast? Okay. Ang ganda naman ng background, mami, oh. May pakape. Wow. Wow. Enjoy ka naman.
Okay naman. The best part ang makatapos ng safe. Ito, bonus na lang to eh.
Yeah, of course. Pero sa mga scenery na nakita natin, ano yung pinaka-naganda?
Sa mga farm nila. Wala man lang ako nakitang harvester dito.
Meron.
Meron ba? Hindi ko nakita.
Nakakarga. Ang dami nila. Alam mo
Talaga?
ba, Mami, habang nag-vlog ako,
Hmm.
farming nila rito is more improved. I think that the government's really focusing on
Ito pa matindi.
farming industry in Thailand.
Ang expressway nila dito, walang bayad. Maybe because government property. Or ang nag-finance nun, gobyerno nila.
For me, ang pinaka-nabis ko ng government. Sa tour, regarding sa bike tour, maganda kasi yung mga motor na pinagamit sa amin, talagang premium, well-maintained, bago gulong, thumbs up for that. Itong mga lahat ng hotel na pinuntahan natin, iba-iba ang food, iba-iba ng ganda. Yung mga hindi ka mabuboring. Pero yung doon sa part ng Chiang Mai, yung hotel doon medyo parang old na. Kaya old na yun, parang yun yung pinaka-maayos na hotel doon.
Pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat,
Ano pinaka-paborito?
may bidet dito.
Oh, man.
Sa Amerika, wala eh.
Best food. Mga tikman na for you.
Fried rice,
Thailand.
pad thai. Sarap. Grabe. Magalang lahat. Kapulkat. Morning. Tsaka parang pag tinitingnan mo sila, parang Pinoy din kasi we have the same face, same color.
Actually, yung kalsada parang Pilipinas din. Yung mga nakukumpara nga ako na, ito parang sa gandang lugar ko.
Parang nga tayong nasa Atok eh, nung nakaraan. Nandun tayo sa farm ng nila.
May view na parang Cordillera. Sa journey natin, ano yung pinaka-highlights para sa'yo?
Yung twisties.
Nag-enjoy din ako doon.
no back pain kasi nga GS, BMW. Eh, yun yung hiyang ng katawan ko eh.
Any riders naman may kanya-kanyang gusto at passion na mag-motor.
Oo.
Ako sa mga grupo natin, wala akong masabi. Ang
Oo
sarap
nga.
nilang kasama. Very down to earth, humble.
Tsaka kung saan tayo.
Doon din sila. Walang KJ sa grupo. Napansin ko lang. Tsaka walang huliwala eh.
Sama-sama.
Solid yung Ichibu.
How are you doing, guys? You okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Good. Give me money.
4,
In
5,
good.
6, 7, 8. Hey, give me that.
So we are all ready. Nakaset up na yung mga motor natin. At guys, alam nyo ba, yung Chigi na ibinigay sa atin ng Chigi Philippines, ito, yan, gagawa siya ng history regarding this. Ito, ang unang-unang Chigi na iikot from Thailand papuntang Europe using a motorcycle. BMW 1300 GS yun dun. Kasi iiwanan na natin to kay Daniel. The tour will start on April. But today we're going to a BMW Motorrad. It's a little bit cloudy. We just wear a jersey from Bike Tour Asia. We're gonna enjoy the BMW Motorrad. Why are you laughing? She's laughing because I'm trying to vlog it English.
Okay, another day, another ride. But actually, this is not part of our official ride because we're going to a BMW Motorrad event. Around 20 minutes drive. Let's go. Oh, the GPS of Daniel is here. This is not mine. It's connected here. Your GPS and your Google is here.
I disconnect.
Oh, you disconnect. Okay, okay. Oh, this is a really good device. The Chigi is detected the phone from there. It's so far, around 15 meters. Let's go, let's go. So, let's see kung ano yung meron doon sa event ng BMW Motorrad. It's our first time to attend here in Chiang Mai. It is really so weird that the cannabis is really available. This store selling cannabis, look, it's legal. According to the survey, when they legalized the cannabis in Thailand, it less the crime rate here in this place. It's just weird. Okay, so that's why we called it the 5 days ride, including this. Because the 4-day ride, we go from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. That is a 4 days. And the 5th riding days is now. And we are now going to Motorrad. This would be the shortest ride we experience. It's a good thing that we stay in a very, very nice hotel. So, ang dami. Sayang, hindi natin na-record lahat. Ano kayo mga basyon, ang lalaki. May Tesla na sila dito, ang tulin. Ang lamig dito 24 degrees. Tapos yung suot namin, naka-jersey kami. Naka-impake na kasi kami dun sa mga luggage namin. And we don't wanted to open it anymore. Face foggy tayo. Ganda dun May mga tent. Tenco Market. Ah, marketplace pala yan. Okay, I think we're near to the event. Oh, not yet. I think we're near. Wow, nice place. Pirong Cafe. Ganda dito. Yes. Ganda dito
At nandito na nga kami sa napakagandang garden. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Wow! Grabe, di ba? Ibang level din yung kanilang view dito Yan Pirom Cafe. Ganda dito Yung dalawa doon gustong-gusto mag-picture Ako nagagandahan ako sa lugar. Iba pa yung quality na gusto mo, boss?
Tumaas na ba yung standard?
Tumaas na siguro yung standard mo. Mahirap na pasayahin si Ella talaga. Iyan ganda dito Sawadika! Very nice place. Very good.
Ganda yung suit natin.
Yun! Let's go. Coffee. I thought we're going to Motorrad.
Tapos dito.
Dalawang ganito.
Ganda
Gusto mo kahaba? Parang pang 10-foot container na to ah.
Look at the place. It's so nice.
Kaliraya.
Ma'am, sana yun? Nagkape lang kami dito. Ito yung kape na binanatan natin yan. Tsaka ito, sarap nito. Okay, another ride, another sarap ng kape nila. Bira, nakaka-3 kape yata ako sa isang araw. Problema ko, halos di ako makatulog. Puro kape. Paparisan mo kasi ng cheesecake, tapos yun na. Kapeng malupit na naman. So after natin na magkape dito sa Pirome, punta tayo sa BMW Motorrad. Welcome to the best producer of winery in Thailand. Best wine from Asia. That is a wine in Thailand. Look at that. Pag nakakakita ako ng mga grape farm, naalala ko yung pelikulang Walk in the Clouds, nung nasunog yung grape farm nila. Meron silang ginagawa dito na parang New Zealand Park. Okay, marami na kaming nakasalubong na mga naka-GS din. And I think they came from here to the event. There you go. XR. Oh, George is here. Welcome to BMW Motorrad Days Thailand. Nice. Laking event nito ah. Ay no, maganda matry yun no. Alright guys, welcome to BMW Motorrad Days in Thailand. First time namin to na maka-attend ng BMW Motorrad. Usually, in-organize to sa Germany. Swerte natin kasi na-experience natin ito dito sa Thailand. All the bikes na nandito guys, puro BMW. Iba-iba pa yung mga obstacle nila. Meron sila yung off-road riding doon. They're using the new models of the BMW. So ngayon, magpaparegistered muna kami.
เปิด QR code นะคะ ให้เจ้าหน้าที่สแกนนะคะ ท่านใดมีกระเป๋ารบกวนใส่กระเป๋าให้เจ้าหน้าที่ตรวจ
Okay. Check the bag. Let's check it. Okay. Cap and cap. Let's go. This one. Yo, no. Ah, thank you. Ayos dito ah. Ando na sila oh. Nag-enjoy to. Napakaraming naka-display dito. Mga gulong, Michelin, mga helmets, jackets, mami oh, Dainese, gloves, Pirelli. They have a 360. Yeah, Metas tire, Wunderlich. We also have a Chigi X5 sample, plug and play Chigi. BMW Motorcycle Club Thailand. So bili mo na tayo ng mga damit nila dito. Nice. So many BMW shirts. Dami dito pagpipilian. Ano, bibili ka para sa akin? Wala kang size? Anong trip mo?
Shirt lang.
The only problem is wala kami dalang cash. Cash lang sila dito. Kapag pala BMW Motorrad, you have to bring your cash. Pambira ka, nag-exhibition ka pa, Simon. Kaya. Basic lang kay Simon yan. We're going back to our hotel. At mamayang gabi, susubukan daw namin na bumalik dito. Hindi ko alam kung nakamotor pa tayong babalik dito or nakasasakyan na. Sobrang laking event nito. Ito, hindi pa nag-i-start yan. Ayan, laki na. How much more kapag nag-start na siya? Yung mga tao, mamayang gabi pa darating eh. Hindi pa nag-i-start talaga yung event. Pumunta lang kami para makita kung anong lagay, anong meron. Yun lang. Mabilis lang kami dito. Umabot lang kami ng around 45 minutes. Pagod pa rin ako eh. Medyo trip ko pang matulog ngayon kasi wala eh. Hindi ako siya doon nakatulog kagabi. Ang sarap kasi ng kwentuhan namin ng mga magpabarkada. Ganyan pala kalaki ang Motorrad Days. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa atin sa Pilipinas kung nag-organize sila ng ganyang kalaking event. Ang dami namin nakasalubong kaninang naka-GS eh. Siguro umuwi muna yun. Yung Wonderlich na stall doon, wala pang naka-display eh. Dapat dinisplayan na agad nila kasi kagaya namin, paano kung hindi na kami babalik doon sa lugar na yun, hindi wala, na-miss namin, hindi kami nakabili ng pyesa, no? Ang daming naka-BM dito sa Thailand. Tsaka maganda rito kasi yung obstacle nila, parang Manibela Challenge. Mas mahirap pa nga yung Manibela Challenge eh, basic lang yung mga obstacle nila dito. Kaya naman pala doon sa drone footage natin, napapansin ko, sabi ko parang racetrack tong event nila. Eh talaga palang racetrack. Ito pa yung tinatawag nilang Khao-Yai 8-speed racetrack. At dyan nagtatapos ang aming morning ride ngayong araw. Mabilis na mabilis lang. Talagang nagkape lang, tapos nagtingin-tingin, binusog ang mata dun sa BMW Motorrad. Ngayon, dito na tayo ulit sa ating parking area. Mamaya, babalik kami dun para mamili. Kasi hindi kami nakapamili kanina. Dahil hindi kami nakapag-withdraw ng aming cash. Kakain muna kami. Ay, naka-ready na pala.
We have come here for the BMW Motorrad days. We have spent 5 days together. We have done some 1,400, I guess, plus kilometers. You remember where we started in Chiang Mai? You came with van to our service center, you got the bikes, and we took off. The first stop, anyone remember the first stop?
River.
Was the elephants. And from there we continued to over the mountain, over Doi Tunnel. That is our 4.5 day journey.
Thank you. You ride safe and sound.
Thank you guys.
And as you promised, you're gonna give that to us.
Yes.
See the famous map that you're always looking? Iririgalo daw kay Ella. Ang galing mo talaga umburaot.
But since you asked first, you will be the one who will get it.
Please do the honor, the first one to sign this. Thank you, Daniel.
Cheers.
It was great. Thanks a lot, Alfred, for the videos and for your good company.
Yep, thank you.
Good ride. Siyempre, kasama si Alfred.
You.
You. Manny Santiago.
Unforgettable ride.
Yeah.
You.
The best ride ever.
Ulit.
Ulit!
Yeah.
Bitin.
Dapat 10 days pala sa'yo eh.
Thank you for the good memories.
We have a great ride in Thailand. So, thanks for the tour. We love to ride the Thailand route and we enjoy the ride. Thailand 2024.
I had a great time with a great company. See you next time.
Ano ba ngayon? 2024 mo?
Opo.
Nice ride. See you again.
More rides, Dad. More travel. And ching-ching. Sipagan pa natin.
So message.
So sa lahat ng nagra-ride, tandaan nyo may mga bees na pwede kayo masting. So lagi kayo magdala ng antihistamine nilang.
Nice ride. Until next time.
Sarap mag-ride sa Thailand.
Yan.
Thank you very much guys for joining Ichi Boots as always. Next time, next year, maybe 5 to 6 more outside the Philippine ride. You are all invited again.
Thank you.
And thank you very much.
Thank you. More right to ask you, Jello.
Yes.
Yung message ko, alam nyo na yan. Puro ako na nakikita nyo. Okay? Thank you so much.
Okay, we're going back to BMW Motorrad. Pasakay kami dito sa van na to. At nagbabalik nga kami dito sa BMW Motorrad. Sawadee ka! Dami oh, kanina halos wala. Ngayon, napakadami na. Solid. Ito yung race van pickup. Ayan dyan. Ito Tito Joey oh. Okay, we're in. Sawadee ka! Kanina, di ba, wala kaming dalang pera. Ngayon, nakapag-withdraw na kami. Mamimili kami ngayon sa kami mga souvenir dito. Okay, dito kami para bumili ng mga pasalubong namin. So, solid to. Kuha nga ako nito. Tapos na kaming mamili guys. Eh, pasalubong na tsaka para sa aming dalawa. Ayan pala purpose ng bag. Sige ako na magbuhat niyan. Mami, ang ganda nito. Wow. Limited edition to. HP2. Experience natin. Wow. Nice. Electric scooter. Grabe, ang daming mga makikita dito. Oh, ito, mga t-shirt din, oh. GS Spirit. Oh, ganda.
18,000.
18K sa atin. Kasi times 2 di ba?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, just like my helmet. 14,000, 30,000 pesos. Itong pants na to. Ito, ganda rin to. Kaya lang mainit na to. Ito, ang ganda. Pang Pilipinas. I-reveal na yung motor.
Head of BMW Motorrad Southeast Asia and
Pag napunta rin sa Miami, sunod to.
Oh, what an evening! What an evening! This is the evening I have been dreaming of for the last 1 year.
Ito pala ang biggest Motorrad Days sa buong Asia.
And I cannot
Grabe. Nakapunta tayo ng hindi inaasahan.
my sales team. Will we have the
Grabe yung
Motorrad Days?
production.
And he said,
Live yan.
Bigger than ever. More than
Wow.
3,000 people tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sa daming tao, hindi tayo magkakita-kita. Shopping. Ang daming shopping.
one is the Motorrad team for selling everything what we enjoy tonight.
Meron pala silang ilalabas na bagong unit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1
เป็นเสน่ห์ของ
R1290 boss.
เชิญค่ะ ขอเรียนเชิญและขอเสียงปรบมือต้อนรับค่ะ
ขอเสียงปรบมือด้วยนะครับ
Maliit siya.
All Sale Office ประเทศไทย
Mas magaan to.
เชิญครับ
Thailand
Ganda nito ah.
Welcome
Pang off-road. Meron siyang mga charging port dito. Oh.
ถ่ายภาพร่วมกันเป็นที่ระลึก
Charging port dito, tsaka dito. Yung mga gulong na pwede natin ilagay sa motor natin. Yan o.
ผมเก็บเลยอ่ะ
Makapit to. Ayaw pumayag ni Ella na hindi niya kukunin yung pants para sa akin. Binalikan pa natin talaga. I think. Smaller size. Sayang. Wala na akong pants eh. Ganda rin ito. Oh. Can I try? Wait natin kasi hinahawakan ng ibang Thailander. Pwede ah. If this fit, I will get it. Kasha, pero ang tanong, maganda ba?
How much for that?
14? 50%. Not 60. Just kidding. This is the official dealer of BMW in Thailand. The store. What store is this? Yeah, official. This is the official dealer. Okay. I'll get it. Okay, we get this and we get that. Okay. Good deal. Gloves, ma'am. Ang laki ng discount eh. Super laki ng discount. We should buy more.
Oh wow, may freebie sila.
Oh, freebie. Oh, thank you. For her?
Yeah.
How about me?
Together.
I also buy one. She buy her jacket. I buy pants. Okay. Kapag ka. Good.
Thank you very much.
Kapag ka. Pinaka-cover dito, ito pala yun.
Unang nilabas sa atin eh.
Oh, meron na sa atin ito eh.
เดี๋ยวเราพูดถึงซื้อต่อซื้อมาคุ้มกว่า
Wow, ganda rin ha. Flat-footed. Kayang-kaya mo i-drive yan, mami. Ganda nito oh. Can I try?
นั่งได้ใช่ไหม
This is the top of the line. Option 719. Wow, so lightweight, ah. Nice. Ganda. Ang dami nating na shopping dito sa Thailand. Ayos, igagamit na naman tayo sa mga ride natin. And if you're looking for the best motorcycle rental here in Thailand, look for Bike Tour Asia. And this guy, George, my friend. So this is a once in a lifetime experience, a ride of a lifetime. Thailand to Berlin, Germany. From here to there. This is the tour that you can choose what kind of ride you wanted to experience. Amazing land of Lana. One is China, Chiang Mai, the Great Wall.
You go along the border.
And this is our experience when we ride here at Thailand. And if you get hungry, ito yung food area nila. Kasi na si Ella, nag-food trip na yata. Pag pagkain talaga yun, nawawala eh. Ayun. Kita ko din. Hey ma'am. Let's eat. Napakasimple lang na ang event dito guys. Order kami ng avocado. Tapos ito oyster. Sarap naman yan. Guys, ang saya ng event pero kailangan namin bumalik ng hotel. Dahil maaga pa kami bukas at mamamasyal pa kami. Ang dami naming na-shopping, oh. Tapos nakapag-uwi pa. Grabe, ang daming naka-sale. Ayos, ayos. Masaya yung event. Guys, tignan niyo yung van na sinasakay namin, no? Oh. Diba parang nakasakay sa spaceship, oh. Ayos, oh. Ito, Jupiter to, eh. Ayos, ah. Party people in the house.
Parang party bus
Ganda dito, ah. Okay dito, ano, boss? Oh, VIP, oh. Bagay sa'yo, oh. VIP. Golden bus. Kaya dito, ah.
I've been living in love, I've been living in will, I've been burning it down, you know I might as well, every time I turn around.
Goodbye to pinakamagandang hotel for today's ride and videos. Ang sarap ng mga food. Wala akong masabi. Tapos ito yung marinig mo dito. Yan, eh. Yung sarap. Oh, super satisfying. Oh, the bun is here already. Is that our bun? This is the sour mango. What's that?
Dinner, 22. O hindi, ang chinarge lang tinatawag yung
Drinks. Drinks. Okay, just pay it. No problem. Okay, for the last view, guys. Ayan. Every time nagigising ka, may makikita kang ganyan. Kaya, sobrang ganda. May misting machine pa sila dyan na ginagamit. Oh, nagmi-mist. Dito sa kabila, guys, may malalaking koi dito. Diyan kami kumakain palagi ni Ella. Ayun, malaki ng koi dun. Oh. Let's go get your drink. Uy, labubo. Oh, ang dami. Oh. Nasa gilid lang ng ano. Ano yan?
Royal Mall.
Ay, miss ko na ang bansang Pilipinas. Alam niyo ba, pinakamasarap para sa akin, ay siyempre yung bansa pa rin natin. Pilipinas pa rin ang the best para sa akin.
Yeah, we just two.
We're only two. Could you please? Oh, may sarili silang ginawang granahe. Welcome, VIP, cap on cap. Pagay ko rito. Yung aking cap. Bakit ka tawa-tawa? Bumibenta sa yung lingwahe ko, ah. Okay, good. Only 4. So, we have 4 bags and 2 backpacks. Could you try to open the light? Oh, oh, look good. Nice. Let's go to Bangkok. Kamit na kami ng airport. Mahabang biyahe ulit. Ang flight namin, guys, mula dito ay 3 oras mula Thailand going to Philippines. Another 3 hours from Manila to Pangasinan. So, puro biyahe na naman ng ida-document natin ngayong araw. Samahan nyo kami sa aming adventure. At least kahit paano or somehow, ma-share ko sa inyo yung travel namin ni Ella. Binaboses ko, parang kumanta ng malakas na gabi. Oh. Kapag ka goodbye na Thailand, pasok na kami dito. Thank you for watching. This is Kuya Alfred. Splash.